Married life suit you then? What's that about?
Call me solicitor now.
You're a solicitor?
Funny.
You'll get to the solicitor when you tell us your name.
Bollocks. You're breaking my arm. Get these cuffs off me.
When you behave, I will.
I'm having you touching my ass. I'm making a complaint.
Oh, yeah. Put it on.
You're a fucking freak, you are. Do you know that?
No one's listening to you. You know
I
it.
can have you for sexual harassment. You touch my ass. He's a fucking paedophile, this one. Touch me up handy at me.
Stick 'em in those two a minute, will you?
I'm not going in there.
Go in there.
You're not putting me in there. I'm claustrophobic.
That's what you get for going stealing.
I'm not.
Leave him alone. What are you doing to him?
Right, come on, move out of the way. Who's this? Is this Mallet? What are you staring at? Paedophile. Who, me? Right, you calling me a paedophile here? Eh? Nicole Brinney tells me you've been giving his brother up the arse.
Dean, pack it in.
That'll do, Dean.
Who are you talking to?
I'm acting sergeant.
Do you want to just take a pew, Dean, while I finish sorting out this gentleman?
Yeah, right, what fucking gentleman.
Whoa! He's got a blade!
Jeez,
Get him off him! Get him off him!
Come here, you bastard!
Come here!
Come here! Bring it out!
Take it!
Bring it out!
Take it out!
Let me out! Let me out!
Look at this! You fucking maniac!
All right.
You fucking maniac!
Mike, is he all right? What's he done to you?
He's let me have a let me balls off with that thing.
Right, put him in a cell. Let's have a search.
Come on!
Oh, God, casualty. Look, get the police surgeon for Mallet, all right? Here, hold this and I'm going to go get you some paper towels, right?
What can I do with that?
Great.
Who, me? What have I got to do with it? What's that to do with it?
Yeah, police